Hello everybody, these are Tesa cylinders, Tesa T60. This is an Locksmith impression peak. This is the main foil for our work, cut or 5 foil. There is no rib on the back of this impression tool, so we immediately put it on the working part and carefully fit mainly the nose. We swing more up and down, give tension to the left and swing more up and down. These cylinders open quickly, some can take 2-3 times longer in different ways. The price of the tool you can find on our website, the link is under this video. Bye.